guys, it's Jessica, and today we're going to talk about a bunch of random things that I feel like have made my life easier in one way or another. It's not completely beauty focused. There are a couple of products here that are just kind of generally great things that you need to know about. So let's dive into it. So kind of a random video, but I was excited to do it. The thing that sparked doing this video was this cuticle oil. I know, hold on. It did, because I have been using this a lot the past few weeks. Now, the reality is my nails have grown out. I get powder dipped manicures, and I literally am making an appointment for, I think, tomorrow to get them redone. So now is not a great time, but even still, this is one of those products that I feel like has made my cuticles so much healthier, even though, like I said, right now they're just not perfect because they need to be redone. But they've kept them more moisturized. They're so much less dry than they usually are. I'm someone that, unless my nails are done, my nails are always short. They just always are. I can't get them to grow out without them breaking, no matter what I take, no matter what I eat, how much water. I know, but this is something that's helped so much. And I remember being recommended this product long ago from someone doing my nails like a couple years ago. But it's got a bunch of oils in it, obviously. Sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and it does have a fragrance that to me smells lovely. It smells so amazing. But I love it, and I've been putting it on every night for the past, I would say, month on my nails. It takes me 2 seconds and it's done, and I literally do it when I'm all done with my skincare so that I don't forget to do it. Otherwise, I'll never do it, but I love it. Next is something that I know some of you guys are gonna be like, Jessica, that's so gimmicky, and I'll be like, I know, but I use it anyway. It's this Bath & Body Works Sleep pillow mist. I don't even know if they still sell this. I bought this so long ago, but I've been spraying this on my pillow and my husband's pillow on the nights that I remember to. And I feel like every time we do this, we just sleep better. Now, it's lavender, chamomile, it's got some essential oils. I know you can just use your own essential oils, make your own spray bottle, do whatever you want. But I guess what I'm saying is, don't take for granted the effect that scent can have on your sleep. And for me, since I have been using this, and this is like maybe my second or third bottle I've used of this, I think it's now one of those things that Tyler and I both attribute that smell to sleeping. And so now it's kind of created these connections in our brain with, when we smell this, it's time for our body to kind of slow down. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't think it's like a miracle worker magic thing if you suffer from insomnia or anything like that. But I do think it's one of those relaxing pre-bed rituals that we do that I love. And on the nights I forget to do it, I miss it. These might seem silly to you, and I've mentioned these before, but these are these puffs that I bought on Amazon. It's a 3-pack. These are kind of dirty. I use these every single day, and I don't use them for powder. So what I sometimes use them for powder, but most of the time I use it for, like, if you put liner, like in your tight liner or anything, and you need to like tug on your skin. Yes, I know it's a bad habit, but I do it anyway. If you need to tug on it to kind of straighten it out so you can do your liner, if you use your own fingers and you do that, the heat of your fingers, at least for me, will melt away the makeup I've already put on. And I always put on face makeup before eye makeup. That's just the way I roll. This eliminates that problem because the heat of your fingers isn't touching it. And so it's just kind of doing that, and I'll lift it off and none of the makeup is removed. It is incredible. It's such a simple hack. I don't remember who I saw do this long ago, but it's stuck in my brain and it's amazing. So I can link this 3-pack. I do have like an Amazon, I don't know what it's called. It's like Amazon storefront, I think is what it's called. And basically it's a link down in my description box. I have it in the description box of every video I do where you can go to it, and I do get a kickback, just FYI. But if you go to it, you can see all of my curated lists of my favorite things I bought on Amazon, and this is definitely one of them. Another thing I love, and this is like literally wet because I used it this morning, but it is this towel hair wrap. It's from the brand Kitsch, and I want to buy more. This was sent to me, not from Kitsch, but I think it was like a gift from a makeup company with like their PR. Regardless, I fell in love with this. So I've been using the Turby Twist like hair towels for a very long time, like years and years and years. But there's something about this. This is a different, it's more absorbent, I feel like. And it's a little bit softer, so I feel like it's not as, I don't know, I just feel like it's better for my hair. Again, it's probably mental. It's a little bit different than the Turby Twist because with this, you still get the little elastic, but you actually are wrapping it around this button. Why did I say it so funny? This button. Whereas with the Turby Twist, you have the thing up here and you wrap it around just the bottom. You just kind of pull it in. So I really like that. Oh, and the other thing is I feel like my Turby Twists smell like, and they always have, like, even when I first get them, every time I wash them, but this one never does. And so for that reason too, I'm like, this is amazing. So I want to get at least one more. Okay. Another thing that has helped me so much is these Pacifica Underarm deodorant wipes. They have a couple of scents. I buy mine at Target. They might be sold at Ulta as well. These are just like their original ones. I've tried the like pineapple ones. Those are nice, but I think I like these the best. Here's why I love them. If you are trying to use natural deodorant, then you know that natural scents are still gonna come through eventually. So you reapply, but a lot of the natural deodorant companies say to kind of wipe off your underarms before you reapply. That's where these come in. You guys, these are amazing. They're amazing for your gym bag. They're amazing. I literally just keep it in my bathroom. And so if I'm like, oh, I'm about to go out for the night and I apply my deodorant in the morning and I want to reapply, I'll wipe it off and then reapply. And these are just incredible. So this is not something I have to use every single day. It's just not, but it's so nice to have and I have been using a lot. So I finally found the best hair ties in the world. If you have thicker hair or more natural hair, whatever, it's these hair ties. I think I found these on Amazon. They're just hair elastics from like the brand Goody or Scoonsy or something like that. But they're kind of like pantyhose, you know what I mean? Like tights. So they kind of are like, if you unrolled it, they're that big, but they just roll up. But they're so much more forgiving on your hair when it comes to like giving you those tension headaches. I don't notice that with these nearly as much. Have I gotten a headache before and my hair was up? Yeah. So I don't think these are like 100% foolproof, but these are the closest I've ever found. Now I know a lot of people are like, oh, there's those scrunchies and there's the silk ones and those don't hold my hair up. I wish they did, but my hair is too heavy. So regardless, I love these. These are the best I've ever found. I literally was at the store looking at them again and I was like, maybe I buy more. I'm like, no, I haven't needed to because it's like a 5 or 6 pack and this is like all I use. I'm just gonna get rid of all the rest of them. Okay, so if you're someone like me, like I have this vanity, but it's very separated from like my bathroom and stuff like that where I'd rather get ready. But I get ready in here a lot, especially during the week when I'm filming videos because, well, I'm probably getting ready on camera. You know what I mean? So I like sitting there and I still get ready there a lot, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I just want to get makeup on, I'm getting ready in the bathroom. So for the longest time, I had just my makeup in a drawer. But I found this mini caboodle because I was like, I don't feel like I need the full thing. I found this mini caboodle at Target and it's just the right size for me to fit products in it that I feel like I could use to get ready really quickly. It's just been so helpful to have this little collection of products. I've got some brushes in there too, and I can quickly get ready and then shut it and it's all put away. I can put it in my cabinet, protected from the steam of the room, you know. So it's just something to keep in mind, not to discount, because while they are cute and kind of retro, you know, more like 90s, they're also pretty useful. So just something to think about. Now, I will say, because that is small, you are limited in how much you can fit. So like for me, I really had to pare down like, okay, what do I really need to keep in the bathroom? Because like a full palette is not gonna fit in there, things like that. So I found a smaller palette and, you know, so if you know you're gonna want like a full palette, I would get the full size of that because you'll just be happier. You'll have way more room. Another product is kind of skin related, but it's one that I haven't given enough love on my channel and I freaking adore this. It's the Dermalogica Nightly Lip Treatment. I use this at night, duh, as the name suggests. And I feel like it's one of those things that it's like a hero in my little skincare collection. And because it's lips, it's not something I talk about a lot. Like lips, when I'm thinking lips, I'm thinking of lip balms or, you know, lipstick, lip gloss. But this is not really a lip balm. It's more of like skincare for your lips. This is already sounding sponsored. It's not. I feel like it is. It says it firms, hydrates, and restores the lips and perioral region, so the area around your lip. I just learned that just now. In this rich overnight treatment, it reinforces the skin barrier function, helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So think about this with me. Our lips age as we get older, and like I've always like thought about, I'm like, yeah, like I'm really, you know, I'll put like moisturizer on, but like this area right here, I'm not putting moisturizer like right up against, I don't think. And so I was like, what am I doing for my lips? I do have big lips and it's gonna be really obvious once they age more and more and more. And so I feel like this is one of those few products out there that's like actually meant to help with that. And so like if you're already noticing like lines, you know, maybe you drink out of a straw, maybe you're a smoker, whatever it might be, or maybe you just have those lines there, I don't know. But I'm really enjoying it, so I apply it to my lips and then I literally apply it out here. And it's a clear enough, I don't wanna waste it because I'm almost out and I gotta buy it again. It's this kind of white, but it's very clear. It's like the same consistency of the white Bliss Tech. So it's translucent once you put it on. So you can put it on that area around your lips and it's no big deal. I feel like I've had some of the healthiest lips I've had in a very long time. And this is my second one of these. And I adore it. So I just had to give it some love here on my channel. So that's all I'm gonna talk about today. I feel like I could talk about so many things in my life that I feel like have kind of made my life easier, little tiny problem solvers, or just things that are like, I've been trying lots of hair ties and these are the best I've ever found. Things like that. If you enjoy these kinds of slightly more lifestyle videos like this, please let me know down below and give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you enjoy learning about random things like this, I do post on my Instagram stories a lot where I'll share like, oh, I've been loving this product here, and I just will share about random little things in my life that I'm using, that I'm enjoying. So if you'd like to get those updates more often than just here on YouTube, definitely come say hi to me on my social media. It's JamBeauty89 everywhere, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of it. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next one.